want you to look into the camera, Be. And what message would you like to give your future husband? You can say whatever you want to him. What can you offer to him? And have you ever thought of moving abroad?
I am. Maybe after I graduate.
Which country?
USA.
Mom, what is your ideal man?
It's okay if he can provide because I can.
Wow, sugar mama. Hi everyone, my name is Lorie and welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. In today's video, we will do something a little different here in Naga City, Bicol, Philippines, and ask Filipinas to look into the camera and give their future husband a message. Who knows, he might be watching right now. Everyone, thanks for tuning in and enjoy the video. Are you still studying or you're working now?
Yes, I'm studying. I am third year college and my program is Bachelor of Science in Mathematics.
Wow! Sounds like you're smart.
Not really.
She's very humble. Okay, anyway, Bea, what's your ideal man?
Hmm. Good question. For me, I'd like a kind man. Um, it's okay if he can provide because I can.
Wow! Sugar mama! Okay. So it's okay if he doesn't have money or he can provide
Ah.
you and your family, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now, I want you to look into the camera, Be. And what message would you like to give your future husband? You can say whatever you want to him.
If you're in the wrong person right now, it's okay. I'll be there soon.
And you're gonna, you're gonna,
I think that's all.
that's all.
Uh,
Badette. Are you single, Badette?
Single po.
Wow. How long have you been single?
For almost 2 years.
2 years. Wow. Okay, anyway, Badette, what is your ideal man?
Of course, my ideal guy is family oriented, um, goal driven, and also I want a guy who will understand me and my family situation.
I got curious. Why? What happened to your family? If you don't mind me asking, like, what's your
Okay, but for now, I'm focusing more on career and my family before entering in a relationship.
I see. So that's why you've been single for 2 years now, right?
Yes.
But you're not picky.
Sometimes because I want a guy who's because I date to marry.
Oh. How many boyfriends you had before?
I only had one boyfriend.
Wow, you're so lucky, or your next boyfriend must be very, very lucky. So date to marry. Okay. Okay. Now, Badette, I want you to look into the camera. Okay. What message would you like to give your future husband? You can say whatever you want to say to him.
Okay, my message for my future husband is that I hope you're doing well, and for now, let's just prioritize first our career, or if you're studying, just continue and know your priorities first before meeting me, because now I am focusing on my career growth before I had a boyfriend, especially in before meeting him. I'm preparing myself enough before entering into a relationship.
Okay. Since she's been talking about career, may we know what's your job?
I'm working in a bank in BDO, and
Wow. What do you call this? When I saw her inside the mall, I was like, I thought she's 18 years old or like a college student, and I was very amazed when you told me that you're working already. And take note, she's working in the bank. So I'm so proud of you. Your family or your parents must be very, very proud of you. Are you single, Hazel?
Yes.
How long have you been single?
Mm, 6 months, I guess.
6 months. Okay. Hazel, what is your ideal man?
Um, Taller than me and um, looks. Um,
Okay. How about the looks?
ganun. Handsome po and faithful. Ganyan.
I want you to look into the camera, but then, what's your name again?
Hazel.
Hazel. And what message would you like to give your future husband? You can say whatever you want to say.
To my future husband, I wish that you are fully matured. Um, and also, I wish that, wait,
Okay. She wish that he's fully matured. Why? Why?
to avoid any mistakes. But I know that in any relationship, there will always be a mistake naman po. And, um,
So you want a matured husband, right? So single or in a relationship?
I'm single.
Oh, how long have you been single, madam?
A year?
A year. Okay. Mom, what is your ideal man?
Not that special. I want be a kind man, and especially he can take care of me and in our future.
Oh, that's beautiful. Very simple. You're not you don't seems like very picky. Mom, okay, now please look into the camera and what message would you like to give your future husband?
I want to say that hope he can take care of me and our future. Then nothing at all, but of course, be good to me when to have a good relationship. That's it.
Oh, what if, mom, your future husband is a successful man? Or let's say not successful, but, like well off, something like that. Like he could take care of you, he could support you. What can you offer to him in return?
Okay, I can love him, of course. And I will do everything to have a good relationship with him and with her family, of course. That's it.
Okay, so Anne, what is your ideal man?
Um, um, my ideal man is the one who loved me the most. Wow. And then the one who's not cheater and then family oriented po.
I love that, family oriented. Okay, now, and I want you to look into the camera. Okay, what message would you like to give your future husband? You can say whatever you want to him.
Um, my message po to my future husband is I hope you're doing well and I hope you continue your dreams. You want to be a welder and in other country. I am always here to support you in your dreams.
What can you offer to him?
I can I think I can offer him a chance to meet me first and my family. And also I want him to know that I am working hard right now before I met him. So I think that's it.
Let's say, like in the future, your husband is very successful. Okay, he's a kind of a man that he can support his family. Now, my question is, what can you offer to him?
I think the love and care, because some girl right now is not caring. And I think don't worry because I'm not a materialistic, and if I am a materialistic, I can provide by my own. That's all.
Wow. Do you have like a part-time job right now?
Currently I am a TikTok affiliate, and it's kind of good. I am having a good income.
Oh, I know. I heard about that because my brother, he's also one of those TikTok affiliate, like selling stuff, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, beautiful. That's good. Business-minded person. Okay. Have you ever thought of dating a foreigner?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay. Would you ever date a foreigner like in the future, like after 10 or 20 years from now?
I'm planning. Yes. I'm planning talaga.
Planning.
Yeah.
And have you ever thought of moving abroad?
I am. Maybe after I graduate.
Which country?
USA.
That's beautiful. Beautiful country.
Phoenix, Arizona.
Zona. Wow. Anyway, babe, thank you so much. Salamat. Just really kind.
Dear future husband, I hope you know that I have written you letters before I've seen your face. I wonder what you act like. What's your name and what's your birthday? Do you live close to me or 1,000 miles away? Do you laugh at all of my bad jokes? Do I make you smile when you seem to have lost all hope? Time is taking its sweet time with us. It's trying to make us be patient. And if you didn't know,